All right, so we're gonna just go over the process of cleaning the lead. I'm not sure that you all are aware that lead studies have shown that they've swabbed them, that lead carries a lot of bacteria, ringworm, all kinds of pathogens on the lead, and if it's not being cleaned regularly, we're all wearing it and exposing ourselves as well as our patients to these pathogens. So we're gonna go over the cleaning process, and we can either use purple wipes, which of course we know is in short demand right now with COVID, but in the absence, we can use these, the Oxicide wipes. The Oxicide wipes, you know, you can just take one out and use that instead. So there's two different ways to do it. You can do the lead while it's hanging on the hanger, or lay it on a flat surface. I prefer the flat surface, it makes it easier for me. So you're gonna get a nice damp, use a damp Oxicide wipe. All right, so we wanna go ahead and wipe the entire surface of the lead. Wipe it down, getting all surfaces. Paying attention to any dirt as you're wiping it down. Look for tears, rips, anything that may show you that there is the integrity of the lead is damaged. You can also check to make sure that it has the appropriate dot on it. The color for 2021 is blue, so that shows you that this lead has been inspected.
And why is inspection important?
To make sure that the lead is intact, to make sure that you are being adequately protected while you're wearing the lead. If the lead has cracks or areas where it's broken down, it's no longer protecting you from the radiation. So just wipe everything down, do the outside, but you're gonna wanna do the inside as well. I would pay special attention to the thyroid shield, because the thyroid shield is making direct skin contact on your neck, and there have been people that have gotten ringworm from the thyroid shields. So
Let's not have that.
yeah, we don't want that. So you're gonna wipe this down really well, and then after this is all wiped inside and out, you'll hang it back on the hanger appropriately so that it's got airflow around it so it can dry. So the cleaning process, initially when we launched it, was to be done monthly, and EVS has been pretty much responsible for that on their own, but we are now looping in everybody to include the OR support assistants, as well as, you know, the individuals wearing the lead. Remember, this is your lead and you're the one wearing it. You should be taking care of it.
What are some of the things that people do that cause lead to break down quicker and for them to lose the protection of lead?
Folding the lead, throwing it up on top of a shelf or on a chair, or crumpled on the floor in a corner. All those things are terrible for it, as well as just draping it, throwing it over the lead rack instead of actually hanging it up appropriately. So the proper way to store your lead is to hang it up. Make sure that your thyroid shield is wrapped around the neck, you know, this part of the hanger. Because if you fold this and stick it in a pocket, it gets bent and it breaks right there, and therefore your thyroid is being exposed to radiation as the lead is cracked right here. So putting it in a pocket's not a good idea, but hanging it up here like this is a good way to store a one-piece lead. Your two-piece leads really should be hung with the skirt attached so that it's not hanging like this, because that creates a lot of pressure on these points here, as well as creates wrinkles as you're trying to tuck it in here. So if you keep them like this, it hangs in a nice flat manner. So yeah, so that's really pretty much it as far as the proper cleaning of your lead assets.
And whether you use Oxicide
Or the
wipes
purple
or the
wipes.
purple top wipes, the process is more or less the same.
Yes, exactly.
All right.
Exactly.
All right.
So
Any other tips you'd like to share with everyone about lead and proper storage, or
just take the time to hang it up properly. Don't drape it over the top with it. If you need more hangers in an area, or if you're in a hurry, and just ask one of your teammates in your room, your care partner, your anesthesia tech, EVS, whoever it is that you can get to hang it up for you. Because remember, the lead really is here to protect you from the radiation, and if it's broken or cracked or dirty, it's not doing you any good. And dirty lead it's not good for the patient either. So.
And what if a team member were to find lead that was either dirty or damaged? What should they do?
They can come find me.
And who are you?
I'm Hannah Dingman. I'm one of the endovascular radiology techs with the neurovascular team. So they can come find me, Callie Love, Stephen Allman, any of us who work in the hybrid ORs. You can come find one of us, bring the lead to us, and we'll take care of it. Get it to radiation safety to be decommissioned.
Gotcha. And worst case scenario, could they just drop by the radiology workroom?
They could drop by the radiology diagnostic tech's workroom. They can get it to us as well. So
wonderful.
There's always someone that can help you out with that.
Okay. Well, thank you for that, Hannah.
You're welcome.